Here at Ecor, our mission is to help you meet your true potential by facilitating a better night's sleep. If you sometimes wake up with headaches or jaw pain, or maybe you have damage to your teeth from grinding or clenching in your sleep, you're not alone. Nearly 1/3 of us experience bruxism during the night. But the good news? You could hugely limit the effects of bruxism with the Ecor Night Guard. They work in two ways. Firstly, they act as a protective barrier between the teeth to reduce the noise and damage caused by bruxism. Secondly, night guards have also been shown to totally reduce bruxing episodes by up to 42%. Our night guard is a registered medical device designed to help you sleep better and wake up with reduced discomfort the following day. The night guard can be fitted by heating it in hot water, and with our remodeling technology, if you don't get the fit right first time, you can repeat the fitting process again. Nowadays, hygiene is extremely important. That's why we've included a breathable and durable carry case and infused our night guards with Biomaster antimicrobial technology. This inhibits the growth of bacteria on the night guard by up to 99.99%. So, why wait? Enhance your sleep tonight to ensure a better tomorrow.